Hello everyone, welcome back to Wall Curtains. Today we're going to show you how to install a privacy curtain in a bunk bed. Whether you want to create a cozy nook for your kids, this step-by-step guide will make the process easy and fun. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials. Here's what you'll need: privacy curtains, curtain rod or tension rods, mounting brackets, measuring tape, pencil, drill, screws, and a screwdriver. Make sure your curtain is the right size for your bunk bed. Step 2. Measure and mark. Measure the length and width of the area where you want to install the curtain. Use a pencil to mark the spots where you'll place the mounting brackets. Step 3. Install the mounting brackets. Using a drill, create pilot holes at the marked spots. Then, attach the mounting brackets with screws. Make sure they are securely fastened to support the weight of the curtain. Step 4. Attach the curtain rod. Slide the curtain onto the rod. If you're using a tension rod, adjust it to fit snugly between the brackets. Step 5. Secure the curtain. Ensure the curtain hangs evenly and reaches the desired length. You can use curtain clips or ties to keep it in place when open. Step 6. Final touches. Make sure everything is securely in place and tidy up any loose threads or uneven hems. Add any decorative touches you like to personalize the space. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to install a privacy curtain in your bunk bed. Now you have a cozy, private space, perfect for reading, relaxing, or just having some personal time. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Wall Curtains for more home improvement tips and tutorials. Have any questions or tips of your own? Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.